The home of performance practices at Artes University of the Arts is an incubator for artistic research, and at the core of the home is the accredited Master Performance Practices. The vision of the MA Performance Practices is to foster a new generation of artist researchers who not only create compelling performances, but also how their practice contributes to their field and to society. So central to this vision is the belief that the performance can be a powerful method of inquiry and intervention, offering new perspectives on social issues, bodies, and communities.
When I was looking for this program, I was graduating from English and Chinese translation. I was also doing performance on the side. So I was looking for a program that could combine my backgrounds together, and this program is very welcoming for interdisciplinary performances.
There are no univocal proposals in the students that we facilitate, but the most delightful thing is to see that they come out, each of them with some defined practice which is quite unique and original.
In the wider context from the individual in the relation with the other. So how do I relate with the other? How do I position myself? How do I voice my own position as well? How do I find my own voice, my own situating, artistic situating?
So if I was to describe the program in 3 words, I would definitely say multitude, as in diverse, multiple experiences, multiple disciplines and fields that we work in. Then I would say challenging, and the third I would say playful.
The program empowers the next generation of artist researchers by equipping them with the tools necessary to disseminate their research, articulate their contributions, and expand their practices. Our graduates leave with a portfolio of research that furthers their career, along with lifelong learning skills that support their ongoing growth.